I'm going to show you really quickly how to log on using a Clever badge. The Clever badge is what I sent you home today. Everybody had a Clever badge in their binder. So what you're going to do to log in to Clever, which is the main website that we've used, is you're going to go to www.clever.com. Log in as a student. Okay, and it will prompt you to enter your district. If you just enter Charlton County School System or even Charlton County Schools, it will pop up. You'll see St. George pop up. It doesn't matter if you're on Charlton County or St. George, it will still work. You're going to click Clever Badge Login, and you're going to use the badge that I sent home to hold up to the camera, and that will log you in. And when you get here, these are the different websites that we use throughout day, throughout the week, different websites that we use. You can see some of the things that we have done. We use Epic for books, things like that. But just to check their grades, you're going to find Think Central. It looks like this one right here. You're going to click on Think Central. This is just their reading grade, so their vocabulary grade with their sight words and their comprehension. You're going to click Things to Do. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You're going to click My Scores. And then you'll see their grades. Now, any of them that say not scored, I have to go in and score. Like when we had a day, they typed an answer. And so I have to go in and score that for them. But you'll see any of them that say lesson 18, lesson 19, lesson 20, those are reading grades. We've done a couple of math grades on here. Math, I do more paper pencil, but sometimes we'll do math grades. So that is how you see their grades. Again, when you're on Think Central, you can click on My Scores, and that's how you see their reading grades. You can also see them on Infinite Campus, which if you don't know how to set up your Infinite Campus, you can go to the school website, district website, and that will show you, and it will show you how to do it there. Again, clever.com, you're on Clever, go to Think Central, and that's how you'll see their grades. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.